Okay, morning guys. So here we go. Isn't that pretty? With the big crackle, so I love overnight. See that? Love it. So I'm gonna mod podge this to seal this one up. Not sure where my paintbrush go. Did I clean it? I usually put in here now, guys. What is missing? So I don't know, something is missing. If I can open my mod podge. I can't open this guy. Okay guys, I'm finally open this thing. I think I'm going to, you know what? I'm gonna layer this one. Let's see. I'm gonna adhere the paper first, guys. Oh, I just watching DT video, guys, and I cannot believe that I sent her the wrong piece of that product, but it's a good way because she just didn't use the top part. So now, she gave me an idea for the new product, guys, because I packed her this calendar piece with the shutter box with a drawer that I sent her, guys. But I'm gonna create that one to sell too. So I think she did this amazing job, guys. I love Nin style of work, guys. I really do. I forgot to put this one right there. We'll see today how Cody doing as his swimming lesson, guys. Let me make sure this is light up. This is Maybe I should because this one it was a wet before. Remember when you paint this, it's wet, it's kind of like curl up, so you make sure that it's straight up. Let's see, this one it, nope, this one it look like perfect. This one gonna be a little bit difficult, so keep popping out, so I'm going to layer another piece in, so that one will be the last piece that I'm going to because after that one I can use the heavy stuff. Because I always make a mess, seriously I do. Try to clean all the glue eyes. Make sure this is line up. I'm very excited about a house, guys, but it's take a long time to build a house. So I guess I need to put that one for sale before Nin Sappy add for it. Where is it, that product? The one I packed around to Nin. Use this calendar's wall side to a shadow box with a drawer. This is what happened. I cannot believe that, because usually when cut stuff, I cut the whole set, the same set, and pack it. At least when I cut it, I didn't pack right away. I set it aside and might mix with the outer piece. I really do that anymore. I just that's one of them, but this one is a good thing and happened to be in my DT member, so that I can create that new product. Hee hee! Isn't that awesome? This is looking pretty good. This is awesome. Love it so far. Okay, look at it. And then this piece. And a front piece. It's going to be very good. So, as I told you guys, I'm working on a bit, step at a time. So it's kind of moving slowly. Everything happened once. So my, product label stuff, Chinese thing, and packing order and take care, because my guys, that's a lot there. And now for this one, so I can use the heavy stuff to weigh this one down. So try to use something to make this one as this look pretty good. Here we go. Oh, here my rice cooker guy cooked done. I'm not sure what happened with my rice cooker, or maybe they're not good anymore. Because right now there are cannot leave the rice warm like then a day will the rice turn bad. I did not like that, guys. So I guess time to buy the new rice cooker, I suppose. I'll make sure this is light up. There, maybe already dry. So yeah. What do you think so far? I'm not sure should I use all these color or not, or maybe some purple, I'm not sure. Why do I have this strip for here? Yep. So when I'm letting this one dry, I'm gonna to move to cut these pieces. So this one will be this is really pretty, huh? So this one will be a never used this one before, I just bought it, guys. Well, cannot use big paper in there, 12 by 12, so this one is only small. So cut this. I think the white one is the blade, right? I'm not sure which one is cutting. Oh, the blue one is cutting. Not sure how this thing works. I think I might throw away the package of these. I think I like this one. This will be a this is able to I don't have the clip there. Nope. Like have a spring on it, guys. I think this one is okay. This is a 6 by 6, so a 3/4. So this one will be the strip. This one will be this one is a little bit. So this one will be a little bit a quarter, now 1/8 inch smaller because inside frame. So This one will be 5/8 then, right? Yep. So a little bit smaller. Okay, look like this one dry. So this one will be, this is good. Yep. I'm not sure how many strips do I need because it is 6x6 paper. I need can't really cut this straight, guys. Seriously, I can. Do you know, I know how many times Cody watched Frozen. I think he loved it, the musical. He loved to sing along. Yep, this one will be really good. And now this one. So this one is not going to work with a small cutter. So now we need a big cutter. So this is a because this is a mixing part. Because my cutter is missing, so I'm going to cut that, and I'm going to cut it from here 3/4 inch for the outside the cloth. One, and I will cut another one just in case that I need another piece. Okay, I think it's 2 pieces might be enough. I did not distress this one, that paper, but that's alright. I'm going to I never used this one, the milk lavender there. Okay, after this project, I'm gonna go decide the storage. Okay, have been required. The one I cannot find it yet is mini distress. So I cut Michael didn't have it. Not sure it's hobby will carry it. I haven't go there a little while. I should go. I think this one will be a short one, not that long. I think this one will be not sure 2 pieces is enough. I will have to cut another strip if it doesn't, it's not enough. Alright, I use Mod Podge again. And I'm going to use this one to help me to go through each corner of this. This is very important. You have a couple tiny stuff to make sure this goes that corner. So I'm going to start from this corner. And we're going to go round the clock. This is so cool, guys. I love this clock. Make sure I don't get a bubble. That's what I'm doing this. Time to turn around.